Okay, I'm going to show you some of my latest finds at a thrift store. I scored on C7 Christmas light bulbs in the original packaging. This was, got a whole lot for about 10 bucks. That's the first one. Lots of bigger packs, surprisingly, from Kmart. Another one. Another bright reds. And we got a blue. And that's not all. Here's two things of multicolor. Now we're getting to the smaller packs now. Oh wait, one more 10 pack. This is my favorite one that I found. Yale Glow, 120 volts, the older kind. Here's some blue and green. I'm not going to make this video long if I don't have to because I got things to do today. Another set of just patio bulbs, but they work just as good and other stuff. I'm doing the newer boxes first. I got a couple old ones in here and some blue, more red, green. Bear with me, I got so many packages yesterday. Another green, multi, clear red, clear orange, multi-clear, or cool bright as they like to call them. Someone filled that up with various bulbs. C7 replacement bulbs. These are multi. Oops. It's multi. These are later stock from Fleet Farm, I think, because they're the Noma branded, the newer one, the imported ones. We got some of these, and there's a rare pink in there. I'm gonna move stuff a little bit, hold on. Multicolor. More multicolor. Some reds. They're all there, just that the box is falling apart. Some clear blue. Some just plain clear bulbs. Please be aware my clock may go off at a chime at a certain time today, so you might hear that in the background. Some more blue. Multicolor. Some more multi. Some red. More green. And these are some of the older ones, the Cool Brights. Another pack of Cool Brights, clear. Another Noma blue bulbs. Some more red. Got a newer package of blue. Orange. I'm going to speed it up here a little bit, sorry, but 4 classic red bulbs. Red. There's the clock going now. Pause here for a minute. Okay, more orange. Some plain clear. Some blue. Blue. Multi, someone put that package together. Multi. White. Red. more white, red, red, some more clear bulbs, more clear red, some oddballs, someone put that package together, obviously, some plain green, last two, blue, and red. Wait, hold on here, I got one more bag here. Got a bunch of loose ones here too that I got as well. Before I end this video, I'm going to show you the overview of how many I got. Let me slide the camera back here for a minute. Yeah, so I really scored on vintage Christmas lights yesterday, so thank you for watching. More to come later.